The Amazon Selling Coach report can be found under Reports, Amazon Selling Coach. This is a suite of reports to give you information to help you become a better seller. The reports are split into various sections. The first is Inventory Opportunities. This shows items which are either out of stock or low in stock. So here it shows your current inventory, days until the stock will run out, and it gives you a recommended inbound quantity for FBA. This is obviously useful when you are creating shipping plans and also when you are ordering stock from your suppliers. The Product Opportunities report is a report on products that Amazon thinks will be successful in the marketplace, but for which there are currently no offers. So Amazon will scour the web, try and find products which it thinks there are demand for but are not available on Amazon, and those results will appear here. Unfortunately, there is currently no recommendations for this account. The Fulfilment Opportunities report shows listings in the Amazon marketplace that do not have a Fulfilled by Amazon offer or a Seller Fulfilled Prime offer. As Prime eligible offers get preference for the buy box, this is an opportunity for merchants. The Low Price Opportunities report compares the prices of your products against the competition, suggesting where you could reduce your prices to improve sales. The Preferences tab gives filtering options for the Product Opportunity and Fulfillment Opportunity reports. In this, you can choose which brands you want to include and which categories you want to include. Under Email Settings, you can see a list of the selling coach recommendations you wish to receive by clicking on these boxes. You can also choose the email to which these notifications will go. The communication history for these notifications can be seen under the Communications tab. The Search Recommendations tab allows you to search through your seller coach recommendation by product name, brand, category or ASIN. Finally, the Refined Opportunities tab gives you a list of all the items you have chosen from your selling coach opportunities. Thanks for watching this video. For more content, please subscribe to our channel or check out our Amazon playlist. You can also see more hints and tips at our website, which is vendlab.com/blog.